What is AGI? Why are many big companies like Meta and OpenAI rushing toward it? Let's see the test data he's created and check whether we're intelligent beings or not. I'm sure you might not have seen the picture, but still, almost everyone can analyze and answer them correctly. While many companies still find it challenging to go to the next level in AGI, OpenAI is planning to introduce the O3 model to the public. Imagine if this technology becomes available to every employer. Don't you think this might affect employers' intentions to terminate employees with low skills in the group? The idea of creating artificial general intelligence is not a new one. It was discussed as early as 1997. Even before that, in 1965, a British mathematician named I.J. Good introduced a concept called intelligent explosion. It might not exactly fit into the current definition of AGI, but he created a theory that an advanced AI could recursively improve itself, mastering all skills. But due to a lack of data and better hardware to handle the training, the ideas were left only as theories. Not until recently, when the field of AI is booming, mathematicians and scientists around the world have again started converting their theoretical ideas into reality. Now, their main task to create AGI is to choose the dataset, plan the model's architecture, and help it improve itself. But the biggest obstacle is that it's not as easy as working with narrow AI. Wait, narrow AI. Let me explain this in 2 sentences. Every AI model we are using now is narrow AI, including ChatGPT and generative AI tools like text-to-speech, image generators, and chatbots. They are all trained for specific tasks, like ChatGPT, which is a language model that works only with text, not with images or sound. However, you might wonder how ChatGPT in your devices can understand images as well. This is achieved by integrating different models, with text being the common factor. For example, to understand our speech, a speech-to-text model is used, and the output text is then processed by ChatGPT. The output from ChatGPT is sent to a text-to-speech model, which converts it into sound. Similarly, for images, image classification and text-to-image models are used. All the above models will not work with data other than data similar to their training data. But we need a model that can train itself, even with new and small data. However, even if we create such a model, how do we measure its efficiency, since the data will be new every time it learns? To address this, François Chollet, the creator of Keras, published a paper titled On the Measure of Intelligence, in which he introduced a benchmark to evaluate how well a model can learn from unknown tasks. He defines AGI as a system that acquires new skills outside of its training data. Let's see the test data he has created and check whether we are intelligent beings or not. I am sure you might not have seen the pictures I'm going to show you now, but still, almost everyone can analyze and answer them correctly. Let me show you 2 different inputs and outputs, and you need to guess the third output when I show you the third input. Let's set, go. Look at this input and output for 3 seconds. Now look at this second input and output. Finally, guess the third output. Time's up. If you have guessed the correct answer, congratulations. You are an intelligent being, not a robot. You have not seen these pictures before, but still you were able to guess correctly. We need a similar model that has human-level intelligence and can predict this. I gave similar pictures to ChatGPT, but it failed to predict the third image. The dataset is designed with many such puzzles, and each puzzle must have objectness and goal-directedness. This means that the puzzle should have a main object or agent, and it should have a logical output. The model should be able to learn new data on its own, similar to how children learn basic math and skills through play. François Chollet was so confident that such a model could not be easily built with existing algorithms and computational resources. In order to test this, he hosted a competition in 2020 on the popular AI competition site Kaggle. However, even the top-performing team on Kaggle was unable to solve it, achieving only a 21% success rate. Since then, worldwide competitions have been held annually in 2022, 2023, and 2024, with total prize pools reaching as high as $11 lakh in 2024 alone. Right now, the progress of AGI development is slow for many companies, and current architectures and algorithms are of little help in achieving this. The companies are actively searching for new ideas from young talent, offering substantial prizes in return. The exact timeline for achieving AGI, comparable to human-level intelligence, remains a subject of ongoing debate among researchers and experts. Some believe it could happen within years or decades. Others think it may take a century or longer.
What are you excited about in 2025? What's to come?
AGI?
Yes, you heard it right. While many companies still find it challenging to go to the next level in AGI, OpenAI is planning to introduce the O3 model to the public. This model has achieved an impressive benchmark score of 87.5% accuracy on the ARC AGI Dataset, which we just heard about. Even when this model was tested against Codeforces, a site where competitive programming is held, it scored 2,727 points. On Codeforces, scores are divided into 10 different categories, from newbie to legendary grandmaster. If you score more than 2,600, you will fall into the international grandmaster category. Less than 0.5% of top performers fall into this category. Since O3 scored 2,727, it means it can code similarly to an international grandmaster. This model has also shown 71.7% correctness in solving real GitHub issues and 87.7% accuracy on non-publicly available science questions. Imagine if this technology becomes available to every employer. It would be like having an international grandmaster on their team who can work overtime and work faster than humans. Don't you think this might affect employers' intentions to terminate employees with low skills in the group? It's possible. That is why it is always better to stay updated on trending technological advancements and improve our skills. As of the creation of this video, the OpenAI team is conducting internal safety evaluations and has invited external participants to test it before its public release. Even though many say that AGI is just a buzzword and may not happen, they should not forget that even image classification was once considered a challenging task, thought to be impossible to achieve at a level of accuracy comparable to human performance. Yet now, image classification is one of the first basic projects that many students tackle when learning AI. So there may come a day when even a junior high school student can experiment with AGI. When do you expect AGI to become a reality? And how do you think the world will change once it's introduced? I believe law enforcement will need to be on high alert in such an era. Share your thoughts in the comments below. More informational videos on AI are coming to the channel, so make sure to subscribe to avoid missing out.